my lips before plumping. Let's try. After 3 minutes, it's really burning. I really can't stand. Oh my god. After 10 minutes, I went to remove. My lips are numb after look of using this lip plumping. This is really good product. You can buy it. It's really affordable, and it doesn't have bad smell. It's really good, and you can keep many hours your lips plumped and big. It's really amazing. And also you can use a lipstick after removing this plumping gel. Now I'm gonna try to use my lipstick. This is final look with lipstick after using lip gloss plumping, and I'm free to go to doctor and put gel in my lips with injection. It's really fearful. Now I am so happy with my lips. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.